Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell a story about a woman named Emma. And when I tell this story, I'm going to ask many questions. So I'm going to ask you many questions, and you can answer the questions. You can answer them yes or no. So I will ask you many questions, and you can answer them yes or no. Or you can just listen to the story about Emma. So this is a story about a woman named Emma. Is Emma a man? Is Emma a man? No, Emma is not a man. Is Emma a woman? Is Emma a woman? Yes, Emma is a woman. So this is a woman named Emma. And what is her name? Is her name Amy? Is her name Amy? No, her name is not Amy. Is her name Annie? Is her name Annie? No, her name is not Annie either. Is her name Emma? Is her name Emma? Yes, her name is Emma. So she is a woman named Emma, and Emma likes pizza. Emma likes pizza. Does Emma like pizza? Yes, Emma likes pizza. And today, Emma is hungry. Emma feels hungry. Emma wants to eat something. So is Emma thirsty? Is Emma thirsty? Does she want to drink something? No, Emma is not thirsty. Emma is hungry. Emma wants to eat something. Is Emma hungry? Yes, Emma is hungry. Emma feels hungry, and Emma wants to eat some pizza. So, what does Emma want to eat? Does Emma want to eat some fish? No, Emma does not want to eat fish. Does Emma want to eat a burger? Does Emma want to eat a burger? No, Emma does not want to eat a burger either. Does Emma want to eat some pizza? Yes, Emma wants to eat some pizza. So Emma is hungry, and Emma wants to eat some pizza. And Emma has some money. Does Emma have money? Yes, Emma has money. Emma has $5. She has $5. Emma has $5. How much money does Emma have? Does Emma have $10? Does she have $10? No, Emma does not have $10. Does Emma have $5? Does Emma have $5? Yes, Emma has $5. She has $5. So Emma has $5, and Emma is hungry, and Emma wants to eat some pizza because Emma likes pizza. So right now, Emma is at home. Where is Emma? Where is she? Is Emma at work? No, Emma is not at work. Is Emma at school? No, Emma is not at school either. Is Emma at home? Yes, Emma is at home. Emma is at home. So Emma goes outside, and outside Emma sees two restaurants. She sees two restaurants. Are there restaurants outside? Yes, there are restaurants outside. There are 2 restaurants outside. 2 restaurants. Are there 3 restaurants? No, there are not 3 restaurants. There are 2 restaurants. So Emma goes outside and Emma sees 2 restaurants. She sees a big restaurant and she sees a small restaurant. And first, Emma goes to the big restaurant. So where does Emma go first? Does Emma go to the small restaurant first? No, Emma does not go to the small restaurant first. Does Emma go to the big restaurant first? Yes, Emma goes to the big restaurant first. And at the big restaurant, Emma says to the man at the big restaurant, she says, "I would like 1 pizza." So does Emma ask for a pizza? Yes, Emma says, "I would like 1 pizza." And the man says, he says that 1 pizza costs $10. So how much does 1 pizza cost? How much does he say 1 pizza costs? Does 1 pizza cost $5 at this restaurant? No, 1 pizza costs more than $5. Does 1 pizza cost $10 at this restaurant? Yes, 1 pizza costs $10 at this restaurant. The man at the restaurant says that 1 pizza costs $10 at this restaurant. Does Emma have $10? No, Emma does not have $10. She has less than $10. Does Emma have $5? Yes, Emma has $5. Can Emma buy a pizza at this restaurant? No, she cannot buy a pizza at this restaurant. Emma has $5, but 1 pizza costs $10 at this restaurant. So does Emma have enough money to buy a pizza at this restaurant? No, Emma does not have enough. Emma only has $5, but the pizza costs $10. So Emma is sad. Is Emma happy? No, Emma is not happy. Emma is sad. Why is she sad? Because she cannot buy a pizza at this restaurant. She does not have enough money. She only has $5, but the pizza costs $10. So Emma goes to the small restaurant. Does Emma go home? Does Emma go home? No, Emma does not go home. Emma goes from the big restaurant to the small restaurant. And at the small restaurant, Emma says to the man there, she says, "I would like 1 pizza." So does Emma ask for a pizza at this restaurant, at the small restaurant? Yes, Emma says, "I would like 1 pizza." And the man says that 1 pizza costs $5 at this restaurant. He says it costs $5. So at this restaurant, does 1 pizza cost $5? Yes, 1 pizza costs $5 at this restaurant. Does Emma have $5? Yes, Emma has $5. So can Emma buy a pizza at this restaurant? Yes, Emma can buy a pizza at this restaurant. She has $5 and the pizza costs $5, so Emma can buy a pizza. And that's what she does. So Emma pays $5 for 1 pizza, at this restaurant, and Emma takes the pizza and she goes home with the pizza. And at home, Emma eats the pizza at home. Where does Emma eat the pizza? Does Emma eat the pizza at the small restaurant? No, Emma does not eat the pizza at the small restaurant. Does Emma eat the pizza at the big restaurant? No, Emma does not eat the pizza at the big restaurant either. Does Emma eat the pizza at home? Yes, Emma eats the pizza at home. Did Emma buy the pizza from the big restaurant? No, Emma did not buy the pizza from the big restaurant. Did Emma buy the pizza from the small restaurant? Yes, Emma bought the pizza from the small restaurant. The pizza cost $5 and Emma paid $5 for the pizza. She paid $5 and she took the pizza and she went home with the pizza. And then at home, she ate the pizza. So did Emma eat the pizza? Yes, Emma ate the pizza. She ate the pizza at home. So now Emma is happy and she is not hungry anymore. So is Emma happy? Yes, Emma is happy now. And is Emma hungry anymore? No, Emma is not hungry anymore. Hi again, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please press or click on the like button, and please subscribe by pressing or clicking on the subscribe button, and press or click on the bell to see new videos like this one. And also please share the video with other people who you think might like it too.